In this video, I'll guide you through how to make LibreOffice look like MS Office. If you've been using Microsoft Office and are transitioning to LibreOffice, you might find the interface a bit unfamiliar. But with just a few tweaks, you can make LibreOffice resemble the familiar look of MS Office. Let's get started. First, open the LibreOffice application on your computer. LibreOffice is a powerful suite of tools that can handle your word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Once you have it open, you'll see a Start Center where you can choose different types of documents to work on. Next, click on the Writer document. This is LibreOffice's equivalent of Microsoft Word, and it's where we'll be making the changes to the user interface. Writer is a robust word processor that can handle everything from simple memos to complex documents. Now, look toward the top left of your screen and click on the View tab. The View tab is where you can alter how you interact with your documents, and it gives you options to tailor the appearance and layout of your workspace. After clicking on the View tab, select the User Interface option. This is the magic step where we start transforming the look of LibreOffice. The user interface settings allow you to change how the toolbars and menus are displayed, bringing them closer to what you might be used to in MS Office. Once you're in the user interface section, you'll see several options. Click on the tabbed option. This option mimics the ribbon interface used in Microsoft Office, organizing tools and features into tabs that are easily accessible at the top of the window. This layout is not only visually similar to MS Office, but also streamlines your workflow by grouping similar tasks together. After selecting the tabbed view, click on Apply to All. This step is crucial because it ensures that the changes you've made to the Writer document are applied across all the LibreOffice applications, including Calc and Impress. By applying the tabbed interface to all applications, you maintain a consistent look and feel, making it easier to switch between different types of documents without having to readjust to a new layout each time. And that's it. You've successfully transformed LibreOffice to look more like MS Office. This setup can make your transition smoother, especially if you're accustomed to the Microsoft environment. Remember, while the appearance is now similar, LibreOffice comes with its own unique features and strengths, so take some time to explore and get familiar with what it has to offer. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the familiarity of MS Office while benefiting from the flexibility and open source nature of LibreOffice. Thanks for watching and happy document editing.